received an email from a great real estate friend of mine, David Mudd, yesterday on an update on the flood insurance bill brought to Congress and how it might affect some of your current properties that are listed. We'd like to thank David for his contribution and remind everyone that we are here for you. And if you have any ideas or topics you'd like to hear more about, send me a message. We'll look deeper for you and create a shot about it. The 21st Century Flood Reform Act is looking unlikely to be finalized by Congress before the National Flood Insurance Program is scheduled to expire. The bill seeks reauthorization the National Flood Insurance Program for 5 years beyond its September 30th expiration date. The big picture goal of the program is to bring the NFIP back on stronger footing. An example, they owe the U.S. Treasury $24.6 billion, that's with a B, billion, and hope to have it forgiven. Provide aid for those unable to afford coverage, improve flood mapping, and encourage greater private insurer participation in the market. Keeping in mind, mortgage lenders require proof of property insurance before lending money at closing and require proof of flood insurance in a particular property if it's located in a FEMA-designated flood zone. If, let's say, a homebuyer is unable to secure flood insurance due to financial constraints or whatever, their closing would be delayed or canceled. The state of Florida alone represents 40%, that's 40% of all NFIP policies in the U.S. So if you are an agent who closes transactions in Florida, this is critically important to you and your business. Florida Realtors President Maria Wells said in an interview that agents should, quote, take precautions. If you have pending listings in September that are located in mandatory flood zones, try to close the transaction before September 30th. While the National Association of Realtors is working directly with lawmakers to help pass short-term extensions of the current program to avoid coverage disruption, should the main bill fail to pass Congress, the bottom line is, if you're selling homes in flood zones, assume flood coverage will expire after September 30th and plan accordingly. Well, many of you might be asking, how do I know if my listing is in a flood zone? 2 ways of getting this information. 1, type in the following web address, www.msc.fema.com/portal/search#. Or option 2, give us a call at 561-864-2458. We'd be happy to help identify if in fact your listing is in a FEMA-designated flood area. Thank you all for listening. As you know, we are always here to support you, so connect with me on Facebook by typing in @MattWeaverSpeaks. As you know, my team and I operate 7 days a week from 8 a.m. to 9 p.m., literally. If you have a client that would like to get pre-approved, if you have a scenario or question, reach out to me directly, 561-864-2458. I appreciate you joining me. Hopefully you can find a way to apply your shot into today. Until tomorrow, have a better day today than yesterday.